think luck is involved in achievement, you'll never make it. You'll never be successful with those beliefs. If you think luck is involved in success, I want you to take in this fact. 86% of millionaires are self-made. That means that 86% of all millionaires made their money on their own. Their own sacrifice, their own work, their own persistence, their own creation.
No one's going to hand it to you. The doors won't always be open, the path won't always be clear. But that doesn't mean you stop moving. If there's no path, carve one out yourself. You might face walls, obstacles, doubts, and fears. Good. Let them be your fuel. Let them test how much you want it. The greatest achievements didn't come from waiting for a chance, they came from creating one. If there's no bridge, build it. If there's no road, lay it down brick by brick. You are capable of more than you imagine. When the world says no, you say, watch me.
So, because we seem to be disconnected and entirely sealed within our skin, that is a very deceptive thing, because the skin is not really the boundary of man.
No. What this is saying is that just as you don't know how you manage to be conscious, how you manage to grow and shape this body of yours, that doesn't mean to say that you're not doing it.
Right. When the battle's getting heavy,